Sweet almond oil massage. Did you know that sweet almond oil massage offers many benefits for your skin? Sweet almond oil is produced from the dried seeds of sweet almonds and contains a rich source of vitamins E, B6, B2, B1 and A. Find out some of the benefits of getting a full massage with sweet almond oil. Almonds is known for producing the best natural oil for skin with a clear liquid, a light yellow shade and a nutty sweet aroma. In fact, sweet almond oil has been used widely for many years as the main ingredient in a number of skin care products. Today, this almond fragrance oil is the preferred choice for aromatherapy body massage. The pure almond essence contains less grease, does not give off a strong odor and is suitable for all skin types. This means that you can use almond oil to massage your body whether you have normal, dry or oily skin. Benefits of sweet almond oil massage. Perhaps the main benefit of using this oil is that you can use it to massage your face and body. First, let's look at some of the ways that you can benefit from sweet almond oil body massage. The oil will absorb easily and act as an excellent emollient. This will give your skin a glowing, soft feel as well as balances the moisture in your body. Eventually, the oil will rekindle the skin to improve your complexion and give a look that is much younger. If you are having problems with skin allergies, you can benefit from this oil. Massaging your body regularly with a natural oil can give you good relief from skin inflammation and itchiness. An oil massage can also repair overly dry skin that is flaky, scaly and cracked. When used on your elbows, knee, heel and feet, the oil will repair the skin and help to restore its smooth texture. In addition, almond extract contains a high concentration of linoleic and oleic essential fatty acids that can help to relieve muscle pains. Face massage. If you have rough or dull facial skin, massaging daily with a natural oil before bed can help to restore moisture. This will be especially helpful if you have sagging skin and dark circles underneath your eyes. In the end, your skin will have a look that is supple, softer and healthier. Using sweet almond fragrance oil to massage your face regularly can help to lighten blemishes and dark spots. Over time your complexion will improve to leave you with naturally glowing skin. Massaging with a natural oil can also help to reduce the wrinkles on your facial area. If you are using almond oil instead of your regular anti-aging products, you will notice a huge difference. This natural oil is a very good treatment for acne including the ugly scars, because it contains antimicrobial properties that can fight off bacteria. Overall, a natural oil massage can significantly improve the texture, look and health of your skin. Thanks for watching.